Hi guys, welcome to How to Solve YouTube channel, and today in this video I am going to show you how you can easily transform your objects in Adobe Photoshop. So let's get started. Here I have this picture as an object, and now I just want to transform it according to my choice. So there is a simple option here in Edit and Transform, and you can also use the free transform, and it has a shortcut Ctrl+T. Okay, so now the object is selected. You can select any anchor point to transform it in the desired direction. Okay, so if you want to transform the object in the proportionate manner, you can use the Alt key. As you can see that it is transforming in proportionate manner. And if you want to transform it in the perspective manner, you can simply press the Control key and then hold the anchor point, and here you go. So now this object is getting transformed in the perspective manner. Okay, so I hope you like the video. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe this channel and share it with your friends.